Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to install Android apps on Windows without Emulator. Firstly, get the official Phoenix OS website or a trusted mirror to download the Phoenix OS. Choose the correct installer version and download either installer or ISO file for creating a bootable USB. Open the Phoenix OS installer and you'll see two options, install or make UDisk. Just choose install. Pick the hard drive partition where you want your Phoenix OS installed, then click Next. Choose how much space to allocate, and the higher the allocation, the more apps and files you can store. Just click Install to begin the process. Now after installation, you may see a warning that Secure Boot must be disabled. To disable Secure Boot, restart your PC and enter your BIOS, then go to Boot, Secure Boot and set it to Disabled, then save changes and exit by pressing F10. Now restart your PC. At startup, you'll see a boost menu. Choose menu as you choose between Windows or Phoenix OS. Select Phoenix OS to launch it. On the first boot, choose your language and region, then set up Phoenix OS just like an Android device. Interface looks like Windows, but apps behave like Android. If you have a touch screen, you can navigate like a phone or tablet, and if not, use keyboard or mouse. Then Phoenix OS comes preloaded with game, play, stores, and so you can install apps directly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.